Ladies and gentlemen, what is going on, man? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy T-Ray, aka Mr. Gamer Kicks in the building. And yeah, I know it's been since the New Balances since I gave you a sneaker video. But guess what? We got you another video right now. And yo, we just gonna start out like this right here, man. Off top, so I'm gonna show you the box what we got right now, and what we're working with today is some more. We got some more Jordan 1s right now. The Jordan 1 lows right here in my hands right now. Supposed to be released by Nike, but they got pushed back. But guess what? Your boy got a pair. All right, so check it out. I'm just gonna show you the label on the side. You see that right there? I just want to show you the label right there. All right, so what we have in hand right now is, let's go ahead and pull them out the box. All right, so check it out, man. What we got today is a pair of the LSG gem red and white Jordan 1 low sneakers in our hand right now. And what the LSG stands for, if you don't know, man, the light smoke gray Jordan 1s right now in our hands. And listen here, man, listen here, yo. Hot, fire, dope, love them. I'm telling you right now. I mean, when I first got the pair, because they just literally came today. They came today, early today. I just got home. I said, you know what? I got to make a video for all my amazing sneakerheads. I got to do this, man. So let's just do a rundown on the sneaker right now, man. Listen here, man. We have the gem red Nike check. We got the smoke gray. All right, the smoke gray. But the thing about the smoke gray is like a suede material, you know? Suede material. So we got the smoke gray, we got the white toe box, we got the white shoestrings, we got the white tone with the gem red Jordan Jumpman sign. We got the gem red Jordan tag as well. But yo, we got the smoke gray bottoms with the Air Jordan stitching in the back, right along with the suede gray back. But like I said, the top of the lip of the shoe surrounded by the gem red. Listen, man, this sneaker is amazing. Oh my God, yo, man. Yo, I'm not even knocking it, man. Yeah, I told y'all before, man. Y'all knew when I first got my first pair of Jordan 1 lows, I said I was gonna arson up and I was gonna have a bunch of them. And guess what? We got some more right here. But they also come with another pair of shoelaces, which I probably will switch out, because the differences between these shoelaces and the one I have now is, see, the tip on them is white, with the plastic tip on them. The shoelaces you can switch out with is actually white, but it has the red tip, which is the metal tips. And yes, I would have to switch out to them. So I'm definitely gonna be doing that as well with the sneakers, man. But yo, man, the sneaker itself, man, the sneaker's dope, man. It is dope. Again, man, I'm loving them. I'm loving them. I'm glad I was able to get me a pair of these as well, man. And what can I say, man? The arsenal is getting bigger, man. The arsenal is getting bigger. I'm telling you, one day, man, one day, we'll have to give you a sneaker tour. One day. As you can see, all the boxes on the side right there, they full of sneakers as well. Gotta get some more things, you know. I gotta get it situated, you know what I mean? I gotta get it situated. But all in all, again, man, let's again take a look at the sneakers. We got the light smoke gray Jordan 1 lows with the gem red and the white. And listen, man, again, listen, these are, they hot. And again, when I first looked at them, I don't know if anybody watch a lot of college football with it. It made me think of like Ohio State. And I was like, I'm a Georgia boy, you know what I mean? But no, no disrespect to Ohio State, man. I love y'all, man. But yo, man, this is like a perfect fit for y'all team. You know what I'm saying? This color, man. Yeah, man. Oh man, I don't even know what to say about it. But yeah, again, man, hot sneaker, definitely dope, man. You already know how we do on the channel, man. Before we leave out, man, I got to give y'all some up close and personal images of the sneaker as well. And yeah, man, again, man, thank you so much for the love you all been showing on the sneakers, man. Especially, man, I just did another video like last week on the New Balance 550s. Yo, if you don't have a pair of them joints is comfortable as well. So I would be hopefully getting my hands on a couple more of them. But like I said, man, we're gonna have a variety of different sneakers coming soon. But yeah, man, again, man, love and blessings to everybody that's showing the love. It truly means a lot to me. And yeah, man, we're gonna keep the sneakers coming. And if you got any questions, man, put it in the comments, man. And like I said, man, I answer all my questions. So yeah, man, again, man, love and blessings. On to the next one. We'll see you later. Peace.